Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn lesson 5 Beaks of Birds of EVS for class 4th. Birds do not have teeth but they have beaks. Beaks are also known as bills. Beaks or bills of birds differ according to their food habits. Some birds eat nuts and others eat flesh. Types of beaks. Short and hard beaks are called cracker beaks. Hens, sparrow, and doves have such beaks. Short, cone-shaped beaks help them to break seeds and nuts. Sharp and curved beaks are called hooked beaks. Parrots, kites, owls, and eagles have such beaks. Sharp and long beaks are called chisel-shaped beaks. Woodpecker has such a beak to bore holes in trees to search insects. Its beak helps it to tap and drill the trees. Thin and pointed beaks are called piercer's beaks. Warblers and bulbuls have such beaks. These are insect-eating birds. Their beaks help them to pick up grains and insects easily. Flat, broad, long, and thick beaks are called spoon-shaped beaks. Ducks and swans have such beaks. Such beaks look like a spoon and help in searching fish in muddy waters and help them to strain the food from water. Hummingbirds have long and slender, straw-shaped beaks. These beaks help them to suck nectar from flowers. Multi-purpose beaks are known as Swiss Army knife beaks. Crows have such beaks which help them to eat seeds, worms, and fish. Long and sharp beaks are called spear-shaped beaks. Kingfishers, cranes, and herons have this type of beak. It helps them to catch fish easily. Now, my dear students, we will study uses of beaks. Birds use their beaks for the following purposes. Number 1. To pick up grass, leaves, and twigs. To build their nest. Number 2. To bring food and feed their young ones. Number 3. To pick grains, tear flesh, peck and fight with others. 4th. To clean and make their feathers smooth. This is called preening. Now, my dear students, you have to do it yourself. You have to watch a crane or a duck and write 3 sentences about its food habits and beak. Now, my dear students, we will study about the toes of birds. You might have observed hens searching food with their toes. Have you noticed eagles use their toes to tear trees? Every bird has different types of toes depending upon its food habit. Now we will study the uses of it. The toes are very useful to the birds. The toes on the feet of birds help them to walk, tear the prey, climb up on trees, hold on to the branches, swim, hop, grip the prey while flying and scratch on the ground. Now, my dear students, we will study the common types of feet and talons. Now, number 1, it is given perching birds. Perching birds like crow, sparrows, and mynas have 4 talons, 3 in front and 1 at the back. Their talons help them to hold the branch of a tree very firmly. This act is called perching. Owing to this, the birds can sleep on the branches of trees at night without falling down. Climbing trees like parrots, and woodpeckers have two talons pointing upwards and two talons pointing downwards. These talons help them to climb up and to cling to the bark of trees. Preying birds like eagle, hawk, vulture, and owl catch and eat small animals. These birds have very long and sharp toes. These toes help them to catch and hold their prey firmly. Now come to the page number 31. Three columns are given. First one, it is shape of bird foot. Second one, type of bird foot. Third one, adaptations and lifestyle. Now my dear students, be very careful and look the figure. Number 1. First figure it is given. Second, type of bird foot it is given climbing. Adaptations and lifestyle. These feet help the birds like woodpeckers to climb trees. They have a sharp nails for digging into the wood, and back toes prevent the bird from toppling backward. Second figure, look it very carefully. Type of bird foot it is given swimming. Adaptations and lifestyle. Back feet help the birds like ducks to paddle through the water. Third figure, look it carefully. Type of bird foot it is given running. Adaptations and lifestyle. For running fast, birds like emus have 3 toes, all of which face forward. My dear students, look the fourth figure. Type of bird foot it is given perching. Adaptations and lifestyle it is given these are feet with 4 toes. 1 toe is at the back. It helps the bird to perch on tree branches. Birds like blue jays wrap their toes around the branch to maintain balance. Fifth figure, look it very carefully. Type of bird foot it is given grasping. Adaptations and lifestyle it is given predatory birds like hawks have toe-like feet called talons for grabbing their prey. Fifth one it is over. Now it is the last one, that is the shape of the bird foot it is given. Type of the bird foot it is scratching. And adaptations and lifestyle, chicken and other birds that scratch in the soil for insect usually have feet with 4 toes, all of which have the strong nails for digging into the ground. Now my dear students, points to remember, that is first one, birds have beaks or bills depending upon their eating habits. Number 2, fruits or meat eating birds have hooked beaks. Grains or insect eating birds have pisces beaks. Fish eating birds have spear shaped beaks. Talons help the birds to walk, swim, hop, catch and tear the prey, etc. Talons serve different purposes for the birds. Today we have completed the lesson and we will discuss the question answer of this lesson in the next week of this month. Thank you and have a nice day.